Hi, everyone. So, just wanted to do a quick little lesson on how to calculate area or how to find an area for your garden. So, what you have in front of you, and I apologize for the squiggly lines, I'm not that great with the mouse. So, basically, when you are making your gardens in Minecraft, that you are either going to make them as a square or a rectangle. So, one of the things I need to know is how much area your garden is going to be. So area is the space that's inside your square, inside that piece of land. So this is how we do it. So if you come over, let's do the first one. So obviously the first one, the area of that is going to be smaller or less than the second one. So let's figure out now how to find area. So the first thing we have to do, and if you follow that little dot, we need to figure out the length and the width of the rectangle. So for this one right here, and I'm using square paper, so it makes it easier for us to count. So for this one here, the length is going to be, so this is the length over here. And actually, it doesn't really matter if you call that length or if you call it width. It really doesn't matter. So it's up to you. So the length for this one here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 centimeters on this side. Okay. And I'm really not that great with the mouse thing. So I'm sorry for that. So then we got to find the width. So the width of the rectangle. So let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the width here is 6 centimeters. So in Minecraft, this will actually be your blocks. So for every block long, so that would be, say, 4 blocks, and then say 6 blocks across. So then the area is the number of blocks that's inside, or the space that's inside. And how we do that, so area, so we're going to talk about a formula now. And when we go back to class, we will we'll explore this formula a little bit. So the area of a rectangle is length. You multiply the length by the width. So it's length times width. And that's how we find the space inside. So if we use that, then we say 4. So the area of this rectangle is 4 groups of 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just checking my work. So 4 groups of 6. So now let's use our multiplication strategy. So whenever we have our 4s, we think about my favorite one, because I love Tim Hortons coffee, is our double. So 4 groups of 6. So we think 2 groups of 6, or double 6, is 12, and double that again is 24. So the area of this particular rectangle is 24 centimeters square. And if you actually go and you count the blocks inside, that you will see that it is 24 blocks inside that rectangle. Okay, so let's look at the bigger one. So let's try it again. So we got to find the length and width, and I'm going to change my color for this, and I'm using Google Keep, the Google Keep app. So it's up in your waffle if you wanted to try this out, if it's something that you'd like to toss around. Okay, so let's look. So we got to find our length. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length is is 7. And we're going to say 7 centimeters. And again, I'm not very good at writing it. I'm learning. And then the width of it, my goodness, see that? That's terrible. Anyway, the width of it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the width of our rectangle here is 11 centimeters. And then we multiply that together, 7 times 11. And I know that is going to be 77 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's how you calculate the area of a rectangle or a square. All right, have fun with it.